nice night with a whole lot of sugar and a little cream. Hey, I'm all about coffee days and whiskey nights. Yeah, they both have a way of getting me high. Yeah, I'm all about coffee days and whiskey nights. Gotta have 'em both to make me feel alright. Yeah, I'm all about coffee days and whiskey nights. Yeah, they both have a way of getting me high. Yeah, I'm all about coffee days and whiskey nights. I gotta have 'em both to make me feel alright. Yeah, I gotta have 'em both to make me feel alright.
This dance is Coffee Days and Whiskey Nights, choreographed by Yvonne Verhagen. It's a 32 count, 2 wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, step right to side, swivel left foot in, heel, toe, touch next to right. Step left to side, swivel right foot in, heel, toe, touch next to left. Section 2, going back on the diagonals, back, touching tap, back, touching tap, back, touching tap, back, touching tap. Section 3, side, behind, a quarter right, hold, step forward, pivot, a quarter right, cross, hold, now facing 6. Last section, rumba box backwards, side together, back, hold, side together, forward, hold. Waist on my left, I'm facing 6, and I start over with the side step and the swivels. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that's the whole dance.